If you're in Ghana, you know this is called Keshri and tree. When you're going to fetch water, you have to put something on top of your head before you actually put the bucket on it to serve as some sort of comfort for your head. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are tuning in for the very first time, you're welcome. My name is Ikabudo of Headmistress. I'm a beauty artist and photographer based in Ghana, West Africa, and if you're already subscribed to this channel, well, thank you so much for tuning in today to watch another video. Well, today's video is going to be on how I tie my hair scarf. Currently I'm about to film a tutorial, okay, and then I decided to film this head wrap tutorial because usually when I'm not wearing my wigs and I don't have my natural hair on, I tend to gravitate to wearing hair scarves. So I'm just wanted to show you guys how to tie this hair scarf in 2 different ways. So I'm not going to waste much of your time. I'm just going to get straight into this video. Okay, so first of all, the very first thing you need is a hair scarf. Okay, and then when we say hair scarf, we don't necessarily mean like a hair scarf. You can use anything at all that has, you know, anything that is big like this. This actually is a wrap skirt. Yes, it's a wrap skirt and it's this big, so you can actually see the tag here. You can use anything from hair scarves to Ankara. I'm sure you guys know what Ankara is. Ankara prints, or you can see African prints. Some of these prints, you can use some of these prints, or you can use, this is a satin scarf, a satin skirt. Okay, you can go in for a cotton or a satin. And one thing is that when you go in for a cotton, make sure that you have something covering your hair, something that has a silk base, because whenever you use cotton and it gets into contact with your natural hair, it tends to absorb a lot of oil and a lot of water, so your hair tends to get dry very easily. So always make sure that whenever you're putting anything that has, you know, a cotton texture on your head, you have some sort of silk or satin barrier between your hair and a cotton. I hope I'm making sense. So yeah, let's just move in. So you can wear your hair wrap this way, which is the very first style. You just take your hair wrap like this, and then and one thing is that because my hairline is not the usual hairline, it's not round, it goes in this way and it comes out and then it goes this way. So the reason why I have gelled the excess hair down with this hair wax. So this is a hair wax that I use to tame my edges, and I think it does a really good job if you ask me. So yeah, and yeah, so let's just get into it. So I'm going to take this whole thing here and I'm going to fold the end. So this is it. I've folded it. You can see this is it. So I've just folded it like this, okay, and I'm going to turn it, and let me see me to see. Okay, and I'm going to put it here, then gather the excess this way. So this is it, and I'm going to gather the excess this way. So when I get to the top, I have this, and you can make it as tight as you want it. Okay, there's no strict rule as to how tight it should be, so you have to, you know, follow what you want. So just this way, and then you twist it. So you twist it and you move it as you twist. You see, when you hold it, just when you twist it, then you just move it. So you move it while you are twisting it, you move it while you are twisting it. So whenever there's an excess hair coming out, the only thing you do is just tuck it in. So you're going to tuck it in, and this is how easy this style is. So here you go. So this is as easy as you guys can see. So you can decide to accessorize with earrings and stuff like that, but because I'm going to film, I'm not going to do all that. But yes, this is just how to tie a scarf. So let's get to the second bit of it. Okay, so the second one is just giving us some sort of elevation. So we are going to put something on top of it, on top of my head, like more of like a pad, a cloth pad. So I'm going to do this. If you're in Ghana, you know this is called keshri. See, when you're going to fetch water, you have to put something on top of your head before you actually put the bucket on it to serve as some sort of comfort for your head. So I'm going to tie this thing. This is called keshri in Twi. So I'm going to tie it. So let me just tie it on camera so you guys can actually see. So you just twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap. I'm going to support this pad that is giving me a lot of issues with this hairnet. Okay, this is a like hair cap. This is a hair cap that is used to do crochet braids. I'm going to put this thing on top of my head, and I'm going to secure it with this. So this net, this net is going to support this thing here. So that is what we are going to do, and see and hope it works this time around. So same way. Then I'm going to twist, and I'm going to wrap this one behind it, and I'm going to wrap this one behind it as well. I'm going to tie it. So after everything, what you want to do is that you want to adjust. So this thing here will just go in somewhere here, and you push this thing here, you push it at the back, and there you have it. And you can always go back to use your edge control to always tame your edges. So let's try and use our edge control. Tame our edges. Yes, and there you have it. This is the second style, how to tie your scarf. Tuck it in. So I hope you guys enjoy this short quick tutorial on how to tie your hair scarf. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And there you have it. After you accessorize, this is what you're going to get. So yeah.